Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Tradify to Tradingview. First, if your goal is bookkeeping or track trading income, start by exporting data from Tradingview. Go to the trading panel, then account history and export your trades if your broker allows it. You can export as a CSV file or download the performance report. Next, log into Tradify. Go to expenses or income, then manually add your trading profits or losses. Make sure to categorize them as business income so your records are accurate. Then, set up Tradingview alerts with webhooks and send the alert data to Zapier. Zapier will create an entry in Tradify automatically. To create a Tradingview alert, right-click the chart, click Add Alert, enable the webhook URL and paste the Zapier webhook link. Finally, in Zapier, create a zap with a trigger set as the webhook from Tradingview and the action as create invoice or expense in Tradify. The semi-automatic method is good for advanced users and requires some understanding of webhooks. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.